kids and adults. Yesterday, Yvonne, give us a wave. Yvonne was in our churchyard for an hour, and she recorded all the different birds that she found. Yvonne, in that 1 hour, spotted kites, robin, pigeons, lots of pigeons, some magpies. Oh, this is an interesting one. Woodpeckers. There were some great tits. There was a jackdaw. There was a wren. And there was something, or a carrion crow, probably picking at our graves. And there's a bird here called, are you ready? A chiffchaff. Have you heard of a chiffchaff? My goodness.